Welcome all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Myself Satish Makwana, subject English, standard 9th English medium, chapter 1, the fun they had. So students, in this session we are going to discuss the question answers for this chapter, okay, and at the end of the session I'll be also providing you the answer keys for the same. So right now we are just discussing the answers for the questions, okay. So let's see the first exercise. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. So the first question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? So how old is Margie? Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. He was elder to Margie. Now let's see the second question. What did Margie write in her diary? So Margie wrote, today Tommy found a real book. So that she wrote in her diary. So now next question. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had not seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? Now Margie found it quite strange. First of all, the words were printed and they were not moving like the book, like the computer screen they had. Then she also found it odd that the words on the page always remained the same. Whenever she turned the page, the words remained the same. And besides, the idea that someone would write a book about school was itself strange for Margie. So she was thinking that who would write about school in the book. Now next question, what do you think a telebook is? Now a book that can be displayed on a screen is called telebook. It's similarly to a online ebook. Now the next question, sixth one, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie's school was in her home itself, right next to her bedroom. So she had no classmates, as it was the future, and the teacher was a mechanical teacher, a kind of robot. So she had no classmates. So the last question, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? So Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Okay, so move on to the next exercise. Answer the following with reference to the story. In that, the first one, I wouldn't throw it away. Now this is a dialogue, and regarding this dialogue there are three sub questions given. Who says these words? What does it refer to? What is it being compared with by the speaker? So Tommy says these words and it refers to the television screen, okay, whereon he can read over 1 million books. And Tommy is comparing the television screen to the real books, okay, in which words were printed on paper, okay. And what does he thinks that after reading such printed book, and once it's the book is we have read the book, one would have to throw them away. So he thinks that television screen online e-book is much better than the real books. Then the next question, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Now who does they refer to? What does regular mean here? And what is it contrast with? So they refer to the students who studied in the old kind of schools, right? And regular means, here regular refers to the mechanical teacher, okay, that Tommy and Margie had. And the third question, what is it contrast with? The mechanical teacher is contrast with the teacher of the earlier times, who was a human being. Contrast means it's compared, okay. So in the earlier times there were human beings, and in the future it was the mechanical teacher, a robot kind of a teacher. Okay. Now the next exercise, answer each of these questions in short paragraph, about 30 words. Now these questions, the answers for these questions and the next exercise, answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, that is 100 to 150 words. I have already given in the answer key, I have already mentioned the answers in the answer key, which I will be giving you at the end of this session. Okay, so you just have to write down these question answers in your notebook along with the word meanings. Okay, and in the next lecture, in the next session, we will start with a wonderful poem. The name is The Road Not Taken. Okay, thank you so much.